Welcome to another episode of Command and Conquer. We are finally on the top 200 list, and our goal is to stay on the top 200. Try not to lose too many games. This Hellraiser is not the Hellraiser in Starcraft 2. Does anybody know? Can anyone confirm if this is the same guy? I'll stay in queue. I'll stay in queue. I'll play either someone really good and I don't lose points even if I lose to him, or somebody really bad and pretty much just give me free points.
Acknowledge.
What is this spawn?
Cannot deploy here.
Moving out.
New construction options.
A little bit laggy.
Building.
Okay,
Construction complete.
yeah, I didn't even know that.
New construction
Check
options.
your opponents. The
Building.
player list here. I didn't know it was a
Construction
possibility.
complete. New construction options.
What is this?
Building. Building.
There's definitely some
Unit
some lags
ready.
here.
Reporting. Yes, sir.
Building.
Right away, sir. Affirmative.
Unit
Ready
ready.
and waiting.
With someone from Asia,
Building.
Got it.
Australia.
Construction complete. Unit ready.
Ready and waiting.
Building.
Affirmative. Yes, sir.
New
Affirmative.
construction
Got it.
options.
Yes, sir. Affirmative.
Unit
Moving out.
ready.
Affirmative. Reporting.
Building.
Moving out.
Look at the
Waiting
lag.
order.
Unit
Moving out.
ready.
Reporting.
Construction complete. Building.
Yes, sir. Moving out. Right away, sir.
Unit ready.
Roger, sir.
Building.
Moving out.
Unit
Got it. Ready and
ready.
waiting.
Building.
Reporting,
Unit
yes, sir.
ready. Construction complete. Building.
Weird.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ready and waiting. Reporting. Moving out. Right away, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Roger. Moving out.
Can't find
Moving
my
out.
opponent. Where can he be? This map seems very small. There we go.
Moving out. Affirmative. Acknowledge. Moving out. You
There we
got it,
go.
sir.
Need a scout.
Reporting. You got
Just
it.
died.
Yes,
Just
sir. Moving
died.
out. Wait, sir. Waiting. Affirmative. You got it. You got it. Reporting. Moving out. Reporting. Yes, sir. Roger. Right away, sir.
Let me hotkey this guy.
Ready and got it. Moving out. Yes, sir.
Scouts.
Affirmative. Moving out. Affirmative. Roger. Affirmative.
Construction
right away, sir.
complete.
Reporting. Waiting orders.
New construction options. Low power. Building.
So he's spamming
Unit
this.
ready.
Why is he good in
Building.
this?
Unit ready.
Useless,
Yes,
right?
sir. Affirmative.
Construction complete.
Waiting orders.
Building. Unit ready.
I'm gonna
Affirmative.
get
Moving out.
Building.
2 scouts.
Unit ready.
Yes, sir. Moving out.
Unit ready. Building.
Affirmative. Yes. Moving out.
Alright, let's go scout,
Acknowledge.
my dude.
Moving out. Affirmative. Acknowledge. Moving out. Affirmative. Moving out.
I wanna see
Unit
what
Acknowledge.
this
ready.
is economy.
Building.
Okay, he's
Moving
got
out. Affirmative.
2
Affirmative.
refineries. Oh my
Moving
god,
out.
what the heck is
Affirmative.
this?
Moving out. Affirmative.
What is this?
Moving out. Moving out.
Unit
Moving out.
ready.
Affirmative. Acknowledge.
Building.
Moving out.
Space crawling. Is it faster
Vehicle
than
reporting.
wall?
Moving out. Acknowledge.
Maybe it's
Moving out.
faster than wall, that's why.
Moving out.
He's wasting
Reporting.
a
Wait,
lot of
sir.
money.
Got it. Yes, sir.
We should sell those. Let's see.
Unit ready.
Reporting.
Building.
Wait, sir. Waiting orders.
Insufficient
Moving out.
funds.
Ready and waiting. Affirmative. You got it. Right away, sir.
Going out, who's attacking? Ah,
Vehicle
what
reporting.
is this?
out. Yes. Acknowledged. Yes.
Unfortunate.
Acknowledged. Moving out.
Unfortunate.
Unit report. Affirmative. Waiting order. Yes.
So
Yes,
what do we do? Let's keep mining from down here, dude.
Unit reporting.
God. Ah!
Yes, sir.
Can I
Knowledge.
select you?
Moving out.
Dude. Why are you so slow? Where is he crawling to? He's getting that base. It's so ridiculous. Let's sell this
Structure
one.
sold.
Reporting. Affirmative. Right away, sir.
Oh, we're producing.
Yeah, okay. Unit reporting. Ready and waiting. Yes, sir. Roger. Right away, sir. Reporting. Yes, reporting. Ready and waiting. Affirmative.
It's gonna take a while.
Yes, sir. Affirmative.
I don't know if the
Acknowledged.
space
Moving
crawling,
affirmative.
base crawling is necessary for him.
Unit
Wait, is he
ready.
giving him money? Doesn't.
Building.
Now he's selling.
Construction complete.
Yes, sir. Affirmative. Moving out.
Okay, I need to mine out this, and then we go attack.
Reporting.
Yeah, he's got that base up.
Unit ready. Building. Insufficient
Reporting.
funds.
Affirmative. Moving out. Yes, sir.
Guys,
Affirmative. Yes, sir. Moving out.
need you guys.
Ready and waiting. Affirmative.
Unit ready. Building.
Reporting.
Unit ready.
Where's my money?
Building. Unit ready.
Money. He's expanding very aggressively now.
Unit
All this
ready.
economic-
Acknowledged.
Building.
Reporting. Ready and waiting. Vehicle reporting. Moving out.
To attack.
You got it. Roger.
I got
Moving
the
out.
lack.
Building.
Affirmative. Out.
This
Unit ready. Building. Unit ready.
Yes,
Building.
sir. Not a problem. Moving out. Right away,
Unit
sir.
ready.
Unit
Building.
reporting. Unit moving out. Waiting order.
Unit
Yes, sir.
ready.
We can just
Affirmative.
push.
Building.
You got it. Ready? Yes, wait. Not a problem. Unit reporting. Yes, sir.
Unit ready.
Vehicle reporting. Ready and waiting. Right away, sir. Vehicle reporting. Affirmative. Yes, sir. Moving out.
Unit ready.
Yes, sir.
Building.
Ready? Roger. Affirmative. Yes, sir. Moving out. Acknowledged.
Insufficient funds.
Reporting. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Roger. Reporting. Vehicle reporting. Acknowledged. Unit. Yes, sir. Vehicle reporting. Affirmative. Yes, sir. Unit acknowledged. Moving out.
Unit ready.
Moving out. Acknowledged.
Building.
Yes, sir. Moving out. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Moving out. Problem. Yes, sir. Unit reporting. Affirmative. Yes. Yes.
Unit ready.
Affirmative. Yes. Affirmative.
Building.
Acknowledged.
Base crawling.
Yes. Affirmative. Yes, sir. You got it.
Wasting so much resource on this.
Yes, sir. Roger. Yes, sir. You got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Unit
Affirmative.
ready.
Unit reporting.
Building.
Unit reporting. Moving out.
Mission accomplished.
Alright. Not bad. It's laggy as hell though. Fight, win, prevail. He did not do that. Let me see if we can find him. He's not on the board. Oh well. Okay. Let's play another one. And I think my pizza is gonna arrive very soon. Another one. I'm so hungry. Hello. I need to learn to use hotkeys in this game. Though it's not as useful as in Starcraft, but still can save a few seconds in early game. I mean, hotkeys on the structures. Okay. Oh wait, I think my pizza just The delivery is on the way.
Yes, sir. Knowledge.
New construction options.
This is a bad time
Building.
to play the game.
Construction complete. New construction options.
Let's see. These races,
Building.
Stony.
Construction complete. New construction options. Building.
This map is nice.
Unit
Wait away, sir.
ready.
Roger.
Building.
Reporting. Moving out.
Unit
Affirmative.
ready.
Moving out.
Building. Unit ready. Construction complete. New construction
Ready and waiting,
options.
sir. Affirmative.
Building. Unit ready.
Pizza is gonna arrive.
Construction complete.
It's
Building.
the
Reporting.
pizza store is so
Unit
close.
ready.
Moving out. Affirmative.
Building.
Roger. Waiting. Affirmative. Yes,
Unit
sir. You got it.
ready.
Roger. Ready and waiting.
Building. Construction complete.
Reporting.
Unit
Moving
ready.
out. Affirmative.
Building.
Moving out.
Is he calling?
Unit ready.
Just reporting.
Building. Unit
out.
ready.
Moving out.
Building.
Reporting. Moving out. Affirmative.
Unit ready.
Affirmative. Affirmative.
Building.
Moving out. Yes, sir.
Unit ready. Unit
Reporting.
lost.
Moving out.
Our base is under attack.
Reporting.
Construction complete.
Good for him.
Waiting. Affirmative.
Building.
Yes, sir.
Unit
Moving out.
lost. Unit ready.
Um,
Building.
oh, there comes the delivery.
Building.
Be right back.
Unit ready. Building. Unit ready. Building. Unit ready. Insufficient funds. Construction complete.
Okay, we're back and we're floating
Silos
tons
needed.
of resource here.
Building.
Oh, wow.
New construction options.
Oh,
Unit
there's nothing I
ready.
can do.
Acknowledge.
Building.
I mean, pizza delivery
Unit
is
Roger.
ready.
Moving out.
Hey, it doesn't seem. Oh my god! I was
Unit
just saying he's
lost.
not doing anything.
Affirmative. Right away, sir.
It's unfortunate.
Construction complete.
Reporting. Yes.
Unit
Hey,
ready.
guys.
Moving out. Yes.
Building.
Oh, this is really
Right away,
good.
sir. Yes.
Lost.
Unit report. Yes, sir.
Unit lost. Building.
Waiting order. Yes.
Insufficient funds.
Oh my god,
Unit
that's so
lost.
unfortunate.
Unit
I just
ready.
started the game and pizza.
Building.
GG.
Unit lost. Unit ready. Building. Unit lost.
Oh well. Who was that guy? He did not deserve that game. I'm gonna eat my pizza now. So, which means I'm gonna go off Stony. Is it the same opponent? I kind of feel like it's the same opponent. Let me see. He did not deserve that win. He did not deserve that win. Okay, different opponent. Oh, this was the last game's map. It's my first time playing on this map, kind of. I don't remember I've ever played on this map. Stony, let's check him on the leaderboard. Is he on leaderboard? I don't believe so. Oh, he is. Ah, he's pretty high rated. So maybe I'll lose to him anyway. Oh well. Still, could have won a lot of points if I beat him. That's unfortunate. Oh well. GG's. See you guys next time.